Pedro, come and join in with us.
Yeah, it would be. It's fun, but it would be more fun if you join us.
Yeah, come on, Mom. Come on, Valentina.
Come on, guys.
Come on, you can do it.
Emma, are you okay? No, I think I hurt my ankle. It's really sore.
Is there anything we can do to help you?
Could you help me get down to sit there?
Here, lean on my shoulder.
Thanks, Corbin.
I made a mistake. I need a rubber.
You can use mine, Patrick.
Thanks, Cleo. Oh, I really want that red texture.
And I like it in my red love hearts.
May I borrow it?
Of course. Here you go, Stan.
Thank you. I just don't get this.
That's okay, Benji. I didn't get it first either.
Here, Benji, let me help you solve this problem.
Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Benji. Good morning, Ari. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, 3S.